Hello, welcome to Libra, Philippines. So, reading to for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates, guys. For personal reading, pwede kayo magpa-personal kay Jing Tarot Reader, ha? Hindi ako yon. Friend ko yon, guys. Siya yung open sa personal reading. Ako, hindi po ako open, okay? Kung gusto niyo pwede kayo magpa-personal reading ng palm sa akin. Pumunta kayo dun sa akin TikTok shop. Meron ako mga bracelet doon na available siya. At yun ay may libreng palm reading. Babasahin ko yung palad ninyo. At yun, doon siya sa TikTok shop. Tignan nyo na lang para sa ibang details. Check na natin ang iyong situation and reading for you. Start na natin. Pero bago yun, pakihinaan na lang Libra ang inyong mga phone or ang inyong device kasi medyo maingay ito, ano? Ito pong aking Tibetan bell. So, start na natin. Okay. Libra. Tell me messages for Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Mensahe para sa mga Libra. Spirit guides, angel guides. I'm seeing a woman here. Nakikita akong babae, mahaba buhok. It could be you. Nakikita akong babaeng mahaba buhok. Anyway, Libra, I feel like may mga toxicity na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Maybe may mga bagay ka tinatago and you cannot express yourself. I feel like ngayon you are currently nasa isang situation na hindi mo maalisan. You do have your feminine energy, so nakikita ko ito as you na parang pwedeng nagiging open ka ngayon pagdating sa iyong you're being vulnerable. Alam mo yon. Pwedeng some people can see yung mga bagay na hindi nila nakikita or kaugalian na hindi nila nakikita sa iyo ngayon. And I feel like a past person here, no, na parang pwedeng mataas yung kanyang ego. This person is currently helping, no, na helping you na ikaw ay mag-heal. So, this could be anyone, a person, a friend, a family member, or a lover, kung sino man, ano. Pero nakakita ko ng friend dito or a person na kung ano man yung situation mo ngayon, this person is there for you. Okay? Person or people, yung iba marami. You are really guided by your spirit guides. I can see your angel guides, by the way. I can see ngayon nakita ko ng like an angel. So, your angel guides is there and guiding you. No? Hindi mo kailangan matakot kasi may mga bantay ka eh. May mga tao may mga angel guides ka eh. Spiritual angel guides ito. And they look so happy. Nakita, it's hindi lang isa, but two or more. So, maraming nagbabantay sa'yo. And, I feel like they are really guiding you. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. So, alamin natin. Tell me more. Messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. You do have your union and a reunion. And South Node is here. Some kind of a person in the past is coming back to have a union with you. No? May nakikita tayong past person na nagbabalik or magbabalik kasi magkakaroon ng union sa inyo na itong taong ito. And this person is I feel like you are currently nasa iyong purpose. You're doing yung purpose mo, kung ano yung purpose mo sa buhay mo, sa mundo. Ginagawa mo lang yon, kung ano yung, kumbaga sa araw-araw, kung ano dapat mong gawin, ginagawa mo lang. And itong person na ito is like bigla na lang susulpot, ganun ganon, to maybe have union with you. Tell me about this person's intention. Ano ba intention niya? Bakit magkakaroon ng union or bakit babalik? Itong taong ito, anong purpose niya sa mundo? Anong purpose niya? Bakit may pagbabalik dito? I'm not going to get that. You do have your offer. So, itong person na ito might be may mga biglaang offer sa'yo na parang hindi mo na-expect, no? Kaya ito ay babalik itong taong to give you some kind of offer. The world is here. So, this person is like, I can see itong masyadong nagpapaliwan, parang nagpapapansin ng ang energy ng, you would see this as the Fool. So, the Fool, yung card na yon is talking about someone na gusto mag-take ng risk, gusto magkaroon ng new beginnings, and this person pwedeng magkaroon siya ng offer sa'yo regarding some kind of a new beginning, and pwedeng mag-take siya ng risk, and gusto niya lang gawin itong offer na ito because I feel like nakikitaan niya na itong offer na ito ay kaya niya gagawin is because nakikita niya maganda. I mean, hindi lang maganda para sa kanya. I don't feel like siya lang yung makikinabang dito sa offer na ito. But I can see a person in the past na magbibigay siya ng offer kasi maganda yung offer niya na yon. No? And tell me about this offer, please. Ace of Cups is here, or Ace of Water, Ego. Assistance. Oh, the Spirit Guides is guiding this person. Pwedeng, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng yung Spirit Guides niya na rin ang nagtutulak sa kanya na ibigay itong offer na ito sa'yo. Because, like, this person loves you, mahal ka niya, and whatever this offer is, alam niyang ito ay makakatulong or ginhawa sa'yo, like makakatulong sa iyong situation. I can see second chance sa inyong dalawa. And fulfillment is here. This is a wish fulfillment card. So, pwedeng may mga hihilingin sa yung itong person na ito bago gawain itong new beginnings na ito, or vice versa, pwedeng ikaw ang humiling ng something sa kanya or maghingi ka ng something, or pwedeng ikaw yung manguna, sabihin na natin, no? Bago niya ibigay ang offer sa iyo, ikaw yung mangunguna na pwedeng kumalabit dito sa taong ito, pwedeng ganun. Because I see this as a wish fulfillment na parang it's like makikita mo yung genie in the lamp. This is a lamp, no? And merong, the story of the genie in the lamp. So nasa loob yung genie, which is that is the person, no? Na parang bago niya ibigay yung offer na ito, yung kailangan mo or yung wish mo, it's like kailangan mong kuskusin or punasan yung lamp, 'di ba? Bago lumabas yung genie. So for what I can see here, it's like ikaw yung kakalapit. Pwedeng ikaw yung gumawa ng first move. Or, yung iba sasabihin, ayokong gumawa ng first move. Pero yung simpleng pagpansin, pag hello, or pangangamusta, it's like that kind of move, ano. And you are the one na gagawa ng unang steps bago magbigay ng mas magandang offer itong person nito. And I feel like meron ng enough courage or lakas ng loob itong person na ito to give you the offer. And I feel like, I feel like for some of you, you keep on praying for a miracle. Nanghihingi ka ng miracle. And I feel like yung miracle ay malapit ng mangyari sa'yo. And yung miracle na yon is pwedeng magsimula or manggaling mula dito sa taong ito. What is the future for Libra, please? Yeah, you do have here cycle and change. Present situation is changing. In the near future, there's a decision to make regarding a career, regarding contract. Ayan. So, may mga kailangan kang gawing desisyon regarding sa mga bagay na yan. I feel like you will be more focusing on your purpose. Yung purpose mo sa mundo, that is what you are focusing in the near future. And you do have your family, home commitment. So, yan. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be more focused sa iyong career, sa iyong family at the same time. And, huwag ka masyadong mag-isip. I can see a new beginning for you. And this will be new beginning na magiging mas matibay, mas magiging maganda para sa'yo. And it will create a big change sa iyong pamumuhay. So, currently, kung ikaw ay nakakaranas ng pagbagsak, in the near future, there's definitely abundance for you. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang mag-isip mabuti, pagdesisyonan mabuti kung anong dapat gawin dito. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys, and bye-bye.